What's going on, YouTube? How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are fantastic. I haven't slept in like a long time, but we have made it to, he's hiding around here somewhere, my buddy Alec's house. Oh, he keeps walking away. So there's Alec, it's a buddy of mine. We are up in San Jose. This is his, he also has a 2005 LOI, GMC style though. Always looking clean. This truck's super clean. Hostile sprockets, right? Yeah. So kind of similar rims. They're a little bit different design as the orange truck, but it's just a really nice clean crew cab. So we're actually working on getting the trucks ready for Truck Mania tomorrow. So hopefully we'll see some of you guys there. I know I talked to a few guys on Instagram already about getting up there and you know, doing meetup or whatever. We made it, how far was it? 6 hours? 6.5 hours? 7 hours. 6-7 hours in the solid axle swap ZF6 truck. Everything was good except for my fuel mileage. I think I averaged like 11 or 12 miles to the gallon on the highway. And we kind of debunked why, because I'm an idiot and I didn't check the tire pressure before leaving. I thought, you know, maybe they would come with the right tire pressure, but all 4 of my tires were at, yeah, 34, 35 PSI, and they're supposed to be at 50. These are load range D, not E, so they're like 50 cold or whatever. So hopefully, we just filled them up, so hopefully that will take care of the mileage. I don't know if I covered it in the last video. I'm pretty sure I did, mounting the reservoirs. Basically, Alex gonna doctor me up with cleaning the truck because, you know, I'm not very good at cleaning. So we're just getting everything ready for Truck Mania, and we're heading out super early in the morning to get up there, meeting up with you guys probably see him on Instagram if you have it, Blackneck94 Marcus. He's gonna be doing some racing, so we'll have some clips of that tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole Truck Mania video. I brought my drone and everything, so we should have a pretty sweet video of everything that's going on at Truck Mania. So I had, my rotor is trash on this side, and I got brake dust all over my wheel. And we called Hostile and asked them, like, what could we do? And they were like, yeah, just use soap and water. But we have this Meguiar's smooth surface clay kit, and it is taking everything off. So if you guys have any issues with brake dust or anything, I highly recommend. Yeah, because down here looks so much better. It's so smooth.
I mean, there's still like...
Yeah.
This might just be like cracks. Or I mean, like little rock hit.
Oh, it's just... Yeah, like that. That will probably come off though, if you want to do that. Yeah, it's getting better.
That might be a little chip though.
It's just... No, it's just hard.
You're like, fuck this. You're just hella scratching it. That'll be fine.
Yeah. That looks way better already.
See all of it in here?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to do the whole rim in detail.
So see how much that's just like embedded in your wheel.
Should you like, do you clean that off like every now and again, or like
this?
Yeah. Like when you go, or do you just keep doing, or just
like if I was about to do your paint?
Yeah.
All you do is like fold
just
it,
knead it
and
over.
then you use the other side.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, you gotta do like the top.
I'm getting detail lessons because I don't ever do this stuff, so getting schooled up on actually taking care of my shit. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of photo shoot we had and completely trashed the trucks we just cleaned for tomorrow. So anyways, we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go eat some dinner and get to bed because we gotta be up early for Truck Mania. We're out. We'll catch you guys later.